guys, and welcome to this video about the Simploo composting toilet. We get lots of questions about which toilet to use inside a conversion, and this is one of the products that we've used in our previous conversions. We've also used a Thetford porta potty and also another style of composting toilet which is called the Nature's Head, and we will be reviewing all three of these toilets in a future video, so look forward to that. We're going to go through the Simploo toilet, which we've installed in our latest conversion, Freddy. I'll show you what comes in the boxed contents and then some of the methods we use to install this product. So now that the parts are unboxed, I'll go through each of these at a time. The first one here you can see is the base unit. This is made of a plastic material. It's relatively lightweight and feels very sturdy, ideal really for being able to move in and outside of the shower cubicle. This is the bottle for the liquids. It's 6 litres in capacity, it has a screw top lid, and we've opted for the additional alarm which just sits like that and gives you an audible beep when the bottle is nearly full. This alarm is an additional feature and doesn't come as standard, but you can just add it onto your order. We've got here two 20-litre solid bins. These can be connected together for storage, and you can use one whilst the other is being washed out. It features a sliding lid. Obviously when you're doing your business, you need to open the lid up, and then when you've done you can close the lid back up to prevent smells. This piece here is the separator, and this separates the solids from the liquids and filters them off into the individual bottles. You've got a toilet seat which fixes on top of the base unit, a piece of 40mm pipe which fits into the 12-volt fan which is in the side of the unit. This just needs a 12-volt feed, and they provide you with a switch so that you can turn this on and off when it's in use. So let's put it all inside the base unit and see what it looks like. You can see the containers fit nicely inside. The separator then slots underneath the hinge like that. So yeah, it's a nice soft closed lid, and it looks like a really tidy unit once it's put together. So looking at this part of the build now, we've got the switch for the fan, and I'll connect that to a 12-volt feed from the leisure batteries. This piece of 40mm pipe will go through the side wall of the shower cubicle, and then I'll use a bit of flexible pipe at 40mm to put it through the floor and ventilate to the outside area. Let's have a look inside the van at what this looks like. So you can see the Simploo now installed in the shower cubicle. If you focus on the vent pipes at the back, you can see how I cut the 40mm pipe into two. The top part feeds into the vent fan. This flexible 40mm vent pipe connects onto that 40mm rigid pipe and is vented through the floor, and the bottom part allows the 12-volt switch to pass through the wall. When you are showering and you want to remove the Simploo toilet, you just disconnect the 12-volt switch and you can tuck this back through the pipework to prevent any damage from water. Thank you for watching this video about the Simploo composting toilet. We really like this unit. It's at a very good price point and it's quite simple to install and also looks nice and sleek. If you're interested in watching the full van tour of this conversion Freddy, follow the link. And if you enjoy our content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you don't miss any of our new releases. Thanks for watching.